Hello, my name is Pablo Lascano and this is my MedaDesk application I have created with C# and here I go. This is the main menu where I have all these options, and if I choose to add new quote, here I have implemented some validation. For example, if I type number, I receive a message that only letters are allowed. Here we have to enter the width, and again I have implemented some validation. For example, if I want or if I try to type some letters, I receive a message that only numbers are allowed. The same case here. Here I have a drop-down list for the number of drawers. Here I have a list of material, and I have the rush order. If I select submit, I'll receive a message that the file was saved. And if I look my computer, I can find the file that I have created. And here I can choose back and back to the main menu and exit. And that's it.